invite you to this year's edition of DLT's annual worship festival, Finest Worship. It's going to be an awesome time. It's going to be a glorious time. I'll be privileged to be there live, and I myself can't afford to miss it because it's going to be a glorious experience for me too. There will be healings, there will be deliverance, there will be diverse manifestations of the prophetic, and I believe that you don't want to miss it even for a trip in the Bahamas. Be there.